Mate, it's crazy. Even in your face, I can see such a crazy change. How you feeling?
I've been feeling good. It's been a busy week for me. This one I haven't really stopped, but been pushing through, just getting it done. Basically, it's been good.
Talk to me a bit about where you were at when you first started, and what was your kind of main goal and focus when you joined the program?
When I started, I was in a bit of a rut. I mean, I got back just from Europe. I'd been going to the gym for nearly 2 years before that, and kind of just staying the same. Not much changing really. I think I was getting a bit of strength here and there, but nothing that what I wanted. Wanted to slim down, and I wanted to just get to a point where I looked lean, and I know just looked overall healthier.
What do you reckon kind of prevented you from sort of reaching out and getting any type of help sooner?
I just got to the point where it's like I'm sick of giving myself an excuse to not do something. I just want to jump out and just shoot for it.
What made you actually say, bugger it, I'm going to pull the trigger on this?
I don't know. I'd been just thinking to myself, and it was last year I said to myself I wanted to get ripped by Christmas, and it just didn't happen, obviously. And then I'm like, oh, I'll do it next Christmas, and it was just constantly putting it back. And I'm just like, I got to do this and just get shit done. Basically, the time is now.
What do you reckon would have happened if you never actually took that bet on yourself?
Well, I would have been wasted my time still. I would have been continuing going the same way I'm going, not getting anywhere, and just spending my money at the gym but seeing no results.
How much more motivating is it now when you get to go to the gym and, a week passes, 2 week passes, 3 weeks pass, and you actually start to see results?
Yeah, I was even just shocked when I would stand on the scales, seeing how quickly I was actually losing weight as well. And then I keep looking back at photos and being like, well, I didn't have these lines on my chest, and now I've got them now. I'm like, I've gone to the gym for years, and I thought over that time I was eating better food, but I think it was the amount. I wasn't tracking calories, so it was pointless anyway. I was probably eating more. Well, I don't know if I was eating more calories, but I was eating more whole foods and whatnot. But yeah, the results still weren't showing, so it's just a massive eye opener for me.
What has those changes in your physique done for you and done for your life at the moment? Because you've obviously changed, not just physically, but you've changed a lot mentally as well.
Yeah, it's definitely made me mentally strong. It's made me happier as a person. I'm getting a bit, can't really love anyone until you love yourself. So starting to just be happy with myself and that. And then, I don't know, I just have more confidence going out. It starts with you, and then it flows on for everyday life, basically. So it's just made me better overall, I feel.